Hey, what's up guys? So Sunday fun day here. Dano just showed up like a boss with the axle, and that axle is going on the Woolly Bear, and I'll explain why later, but let's get started. Got the Woolly Bear out. We're swapping the axle out today. The old axle that I had on there, it always had some camber issues, and from the word go, so I thought, well, maybe it's supposed to be that way. No, it's not supposed to be that way. So, contacted Taxa, and they were nice enough to put me in contact with Lippert, the manufacturer of the axle, the one that Dan rolled by with just a minute ago, and we're gonna swap that thing out. They warranted it and just sent it straight to my house, so should be easy bolt-on application. It's just a torsion axle, and so we're gonna go through that. But I wanted to give a shout out to Taxa for they're covering every warranty issue I've had. They actually sent out a whole new tongue for the trailer because of some welling issues on the others that basically the weld would break and the trailer would disconnect from your tow vehicle, which is crazy. It didn't happen to me, obviously, but I think it did happen in a couple circumstances. So thank you, Taxa, for that. They also sent out a new pair of drawer slides because I broke mine on the coolers. So I'll show you real quick. The cooler slides out here, and I messed up one of the slides, and I was able to rig it back up and put the bearings back in, but I broke it, and it's just it's holding together right now, but it's not 100%. So I'm going to swap that out, and so yeah, thanks Taxa. They also sent me this shirt. There we go. Thanks Dano. Taxa, out is in. There you go. Okay, so got it swapped out, and good to go underneath that. I still need to run the splice of wires together. Yeah, that's where we're at. Hey, okay, so we had to run to the auto zone. Needed some butt connectors, waterproof. So headed back, rolling in the 60 with Dano. Gonna head back and button her up and be done with it. Keep dancing with the baby, there's a lot of